Wozanendlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly, ngane zakwethu. Fikile is feeling the heat. Yeah, he's feeling the heat. You know, this guy, Brian Mkhotsi, has turned up the heat a little bit. So now Fikile found himself having to explain ukuthi Brian Mkhotsi is not a member of the ANC in good standing because his membership has expired. We don't care about that, Anfikile. This guy is dropping them files on you about Wandile Bozwana and the money that he borrowed you, and then he was later killed, and when he was killed, you were with Vusi Keke following the car that took Wandile Bozwana out. And that's the story that we've been hearing about Anfikile. So, but that is not the matter for me. The matter is here. Anfikile says that Brian Mkhotsi is perambulating. Do you know? Hey, Anfikile nangala mathemaki. Do you know what is perambulating? He's saying he's parading himself, or he's walking up and down. You know, he's perambulating himself. Guma leaders ANC. Anfikile, let us tell you, you may not know Brian Mkhotsi as you put it, but let me put it to you, Guti. Brian Mkhotsi is a big shot in the ANC because he was in the forefront in 2017 campaigning for Cyril Ramaphosa. And also, he is friends with your leaders and probably a friend with you as well. We don't know. But we will know very soon because Brian Mkhotsi akanankinga yokukhipha ama-files and akazogcina ngawe wedwa Anfikile. And what I like the most ukuthi everyone who's dropping them files right now is talking about other people. Akekho umuntu osakhulume ngomsholozi. And thina, we know umsholozi as an epitome of crime and corruption in the ANC. You've branded umsholozi as that. And everyone who's dropping files, he does not mention umsholozi. So we are waiting, Anfikile. We are waiting because with this commission and committees, we are going to hear a lot. And we are waiting to hear igama likaMsholozi Anfikile. Because all these files that are being dropped, all the criminality that is happening within your party, Umsholozi is nowhere listed. And they wash Umsholozi. So manje, when the things are happening, because you've branded Umsholozi as just an epitome of corruption and crime within your party. You hate Umsholozi so much because he's the one who's been committing crime. Right now, you failed to pay Zulwini more than 100 million, and they attached your assets because you failed. So all these things are happening under the president that you say is the best one, the new Dawn, Tumamin, and all of that. So all these things that are happening, Fikile Mbalula, I want to tell you, and this is what we've been told before, that Cyril Ramaphosa, he wants to kill the ANC. And when you hear these things, he's connected. Why? If he's not there to kill the ANC, he's there to kill the ANC. We've heard so many stories. There are voice clips, him talking about the ANC using money of taxpayers to campaign for its party. There is a lot. And you want to tell us that this is the real one, the real deal is there to kill the ANC. President Zuma is the one who killed the ANC. But we are watching and feel all these things that you've been saying, Zuma is somewhat vindicated. And we are watching. Sibhekile, sithule nje sibhekile. Siyabuka. Asebenza kodwa uNcamalalo wavula umkhonto. Ngabe umkhonto wawungekho. Ngabe uyingxenye ANC le kukhulunywa ngayo umsholozi.